Our search for adventure brings us to the Uintas, the tallest mountain range in Utah and the most legendary. Stories of lost Spanish gold lure treasure hunters here in hope of locating the fabled lost gold mines. Every time I visit the Uintas, I think about it and wonder, what if I did find it? Should I even touch it? The gold from these mountains carry a curse, according to legend, but for some reason, I still feel the pull to find it. So I guess if I ever find something, I'm going to have to make a choice. Risk the curse or leave behind the treasure? What would you do if you found the lost mines? Hey everybody, what's up? Well, I'm on the search for a couple things today. Hopefully it works out. I think I already passed what I was looking for, mainly because there was a bunch of houses right there and I don't like to adventure by houses. It's not as fun as adventuring out in the woods. So I'm gonna turn around. We'll go see if we can find what I'm looking for. Hopefully it turns into something cool. We're in the Uintas, so as always, when you're in the Uintas, you look for signs of Spanish gold. And that's the first thing I'm looking for. There's supposed to be a face. I don't know if it's a natural face in the rocks or if it's something that the Spanish have carved out, because they're known to mark their mines and their trails with faces. So I don't know, we'll look. Hopefully we can find it. I figured I better come up into the Uintas one more time before the snow covers this place up and I don't get to see it till next spring. So let's go get looking. All right, I found it. It's right next to the road. I don't even think it's 100 feet off the ground. We'll fly the drone up there, give it a good look so you can see it. And we'll see if we can spot any caves or mines or anything underneath it. So keep your eyes peeled. And check out this awesome face and decide if you think it's natural or if somebody helped this along to make it look like a face. So I don't know if you have pareidolia, but I do. I don't know if you even need it. This rock definitely looks like a face. Now the question is, did somebody carve the face in the rock, or is it natural? What do you think? Okay, I decided to try and hike up to right below the face. I could see that little trail or road, whatever it is, with the drone. So we'll go see what it looks like up there. Okay, we made it on the trail. All right, I did make it to the bottom of the face. It looks pretty natural. What a pretty place. I haven't been up this particular canyon yet before. Little people-y, but it's pretty. Okay, I'm right under his chin. This side looks pretty natural too. But either way, it's cool. At least we got to see it. So if there was a mine here, it's covered up by this rock slide. You need some serious equipment to try to get down into it. Okay, I found my other location. It's right up there on that cliff. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a big cave up there. I don't know how far it goes, but I want to go check it out. Let's go. I gotta pick the easiest route to get there, and I'm just gonna take my time. Because I want to make it, but it's up a nice rock slide. So we'll see. Plan is to make it so we can know what's in that cave. But there's our cave. Should be able to see it now. Okay, well, I don't want to climb up the rock slide, so I'm going to try to go to the edge of this cliff band, and then we'll cut across the face of the cliff. That's my plan. Okay, the trail goes right into the rock slide right here. I'm gonna have to make a decision which way to go. I've been having to walk on all fours, all threes right now, to get through this rock slide. This is loose. Oh man. Well, hopefully that was the worst part. We're almost to the cliff. We just gotta go right up there, I think. Whew. Well, we gotta be getting close now. I got some more rock slide to negotiate. At least it's not as bad as the first part. Well, I'd say we're really close right now. I think we just got to get around that boulder. And it should be right over there, I think. I think we made it. I think it's right there. Whew. Well, we made it. There's a lot of bat poop in here and pack rat poop. Just poop everywhere on every ledge up here. So I guess I'll go a little bit further until I run into too much poop. There's lots of poop back here. And I'm not going to climb on the poop. But that was fun. Now we can say, been there, done that. This cave looks way more promising from on the road. It wasn't much of a cave, but it's pretty massive. It just doesn't go very far. At least until you have to crawl in the back guano. Okay, I guess I need to get out of here. The sun's about ready to go behind the mountains. We've seen the cave. But I got some treacherous hiking down these rock slides. So I'm gonna put you in my pocket so I can get down safely. See you in a little bit. I spotted a couple deer. See if I can find them with the camera. I think his little nose is right around there somewhere. There they are. Well, even though we didn't find nothing amazing today, at least we're outside breathing some fresh air, getting some sunshine, and enjoying Mother Nature. I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't leave yet. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Or take it a step further and push the join button and become a member and get your name on this list. But regardless, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And don't forget, if you can, take the long way home.